Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate future value in Excel. Okay, calculating future value of your particular investment in bank or any other investment, any other investment you can calculate future value. I will show you the formula. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on Excel. So guys, I have some value. I just make it zoom, so you can see this amount I just which I invested, and the interest rate I will get 7% per month, and period will be 5 year. Okay, so here the formula we have to use to calculate future value. Okay, so formula is, hit the equal sign for indication to X. I'm going to use formula. Not now, you have to type FV. Then FV formula will come up. Just click tab, then bracket will be open. Now you have to select rate. Okay, so here you can select the rate and then give the comma. Now you have to select period. Okay, now this comma, and how much you have to now you have to enter 0, because you are not going to invest monthly. So per month I have to invest enter 0, then enter comma and select the amount and just close the bracket. You can see the amount has been come here, but it will be on negative value because the 10,000 is negative from so how you can make it positive? Just click F2, and here uh, before FV you have to enter minus and just enter, so it will become in positive value. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.